I said I get on Facebook and you try to sneak this. I said homeboy, don't even try to hit your miss. Miss me with the BS cause you bullshitting. And let me know FW with me that you fucking with me. It's your boy Mo Love and it's Mo Power. Boy always coming all sweet and never sour. Let you know I put a good taste in your mouth. Let you know what the dirty South all about. I'm with my girl Olive chilling in the room. Let you know nigga high as the moon. They call it Pluto from another planet. Let your nigga know I do my thing like Janet. Because I'm in control. I got the cipher on the beat and the beat on swole. I'm just pumping the freestyle, make you crack a smile. Let me thrill you for a little while. Like Michael Jackson, I'm a thriller, and I'm a cold killer. I'm a cold killer. And let you know I'm a monkey ass nigga when I'm a gorilla. I'm a bouncer at the security club to call medallion. Let you know I fuck your girl, the bitch was a stallion. Cause the air was so fat. Said Mo 85, why you do it like that? I said 285, that's the name in Atlanta. My nigga all known as Savannah, Atlanta, Columbus, all over the map. Las Vegas take you back, New York City we rack. Clocking up figures just like a figure. I'm a public figure. You said you wanted to call me a nigga, but I'm just a little bit bigger. Don't make me squeeze the trigger because you know, we doing this to cipher, nigga. This a freestyle flow. Doing this shit cause it's all I know. Got a straight buzz, feeling kinda good. Let you know that saying God is all good. Peace and love, seeds are planting every day. So when the blessing come, you know they coming my way. I hit my knees every day and every night. Let me know God know he did it so right. He kept me alive, gave me another day to breathe. Now I got a few tricks up my sleeve. They say, damn boy, you're sinning. You know you're living foul. I said, guess what? Jesus died for my life. Jesus died for my lifestyle. But I said to give him the glory. Give him all the praise and get kind of gory. Cause the truth real ugly when I put it in your face. Let your nigga know that bullshit you covered up with sugar I can't even taste. Cause I don't sugarcoat it. Let you know that I just quoted my own damn post since you know a nigga wrote it. It's a freestyle, nigga. Same BET, nigga. It's Facebook, you know what I'm talking about? More love, more power, all y'all rappers out there, you know what I'm talking about? I never wrote a line, I ain't never said it before, you feel me? But it sounds so fly and you wanna ask why. Like the beer said, why ask why, just give me your bud. Like I said, give me your bud. I got a blunt. Let your nigga know that I don't tell front. I keep it real, like you always say, but you always fake all damn fucking day. Talking about you real, nigga, keep that shit. Cause I'm so real, I ain't even got to say that shit. Cause you will say it for me, cause I kept it so real. You say, damn, Rich, why you come hard and steal? Cause I'm like the Superman, the man of steel. My name is Richard, last name O'Neal. But I'm not the Shack cause of something like a mansion. Take it to a higher level, another expansion. Elevate your mind with a psychological degree that I got from the University of Phoenix. I got it online, but I went in the classroom and straight bust my behind for 4 long years. Now I got a bachelor's degree, and everybody trying to get up on the level with me. Cause I'm on the top, now I'm at the tip. When my book dropped from the bottom to the top, ATL on the ass, kiss the lips, that shit. You gonna try to hit that shit. Don't try to miss that shit. Cause when you get paid, you gonna wish you had to hit that shit. All you gold digger poopies out there, get in line. Cause I'm breaking bread. Don't tell a damn break your spine. Out there, get in line. Cause I'm breaking bread. Don't tell a damn break your spine. I'm laying all the pipe like Mr. Plumber. And when I get through, your ass gonna go to slumber land. Cause you gonna be sleep cause the dick's so deep. And just swept your ass straight off your feet. Had you all in your air, had you slinging your hair. And now you're saying, damn, fuck it, I just don't care. Ha ha.